Hiking up this trail in the Shenandoah Valley. Well, you know you're hiking when you get to these, get outside of Florida. Everything's uphill. Good thing about things being uphill is there's got to be a downhill at some point. Oh, can you hear it? Sound of waterfalls. We're following this trail down, so we can't get to the falls. Oh, I hear them loud now.
Yeah.
You hear them? Oh, well, every trail leads to another trail, looks like. There actually is a trail down there.
Oh, wow, look.
I think we can probably walk around to the left there and get a better view. The hell is that I keep tripping over?
I know.
This might give you an idea of what I'm dealing with. A bunch of rocks. Oh, I had to do a little bit of hiking down to the lower level to get the waterfall, but it's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. Kristen stayed up top on this one. It's just a little too steep for her. Yeah, definitely worth the hike. How did the hiker get to the other side? Here's the tree. All right, I did it. Well worth the climb. Sitting on this log. Just trudging along the trail we've been on. Seems like forever. Trail always seems longer the more tired you get. And this is considered a wimpy trail too. We're wimping out, I guess. Having fun. Shenandoah Valley. Smells really good in here. I can't. It's right next to a bakery, and you can smell the bakery. Actually, it looks like you can get to the bakery. Yeah, you can get to the bakery from the hallway. There's a bakery. Smells absolutely awesome in there. I can't tell you guys. So, go in here. Sorry, I couldn't wait for you guys. I had to taste test this. This one was called Zebra. But you will get in on it with me on this one. This one's it's Czech. It's Czech, and it's an amber. It's called Polo.